What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining us on Destination Delicious. I am Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are here in Montana where it is prime time huckleberry season.
It just kicked off and it's a great time to be here.
Yeah, actually we were here last year the same time, and one of our very first meals we did on the griddle was huckleberry pancakes. And the other day we were exploring outside of Glacier National Park in Polbridge where they have a mercantile bakery, and we tried their world famous huckleberry bear claws. They're so delicious and they inspired today's meal.
Yeah, so today we are making Huckleberry Bourbon Pop-Tarts.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
One of the best parts about traveling the country is that we get to be local wherever we go. And one of our favorite things to do is support local businesses, shop local, drink local, eat local. And today's recipe has a lot of local ingredients.
Our huckleberries actually came from a huckleberry hut on the side of the road.
Yep, and then our bourbon is also a local Montana bourbon. It's out of Bozeman. We got some of that last year too, and it is quite nice. So I'm excited for all of these wonderful local ingredients to come together.
So the first thing we're gonna do is get our huckleberry bourbon Pop-Tart filling started.
We're gonna put in 10 sugar cubes, and I already put one in.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, good job.
Daddy's gonna do the honors of adding the bourbon.
We'll just go with a generous splash. All right, we've got our griddle set to high on the right side burner, and we're gonna get this on and let it start to caramelize.
While our huckleberry Pop-Tart filling is cooking, we are gonna make some icing.
We're always ready for the sweets.
The first thing we've got going on is gonna be adding some milk. And we're doing about 3 tablespoons. We've got a stick of butter.
Did you warm this up?
We had our butter sitting out so it's room temperature and it's nice and soft for mixing. Then we've got 3 cups of powdered sugar. Now we're gonna add a little bit at a time here so we don't get it too messy. Here, let's try to mix that up a little bit. All right, ready to mix again?
Yep, buddy.
You want me to try?
Now that our sugar cubes have had a chance to melt, I'm gonna give our Pop-Tart filling a quick stir. Oh man, that smells amazing.
The last thing we need to do is add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to our icing mixture. All right, go ahead and slowly mix that up.
Oh, it's like the liquid is running from the stuff. Isn't that funny?
It is. We're gonna put our icing to the side for a moment while we create our Pop-Tarts. We're gonna be using pie crust for our Pop-Tart crusts. So, we're gonna unroll. We are gonna cut rectangles out of them to make our Pop-Tarts.
There you go.
Awesome. All right. Great job. So we've got 1 Pop-Tart crust ready. There you go. Great job.
Our huckleberry filling is reducing nicely. It actually almost bubbled over.
Oh.
Pick it up, pick it up.
I want to see.
Didn't see that coming. I did not expect that to happen, but it's looking really good. I'm gonna move it to the cool side of the griddle so that it can start to thicken up a little bit as we prepare to make our Pop-Tarts.
It's almost time to put our Pop-Tarts together. Spencer is about to add a little bit of bourbon to our icing, but before he does, I'm gonna pull aside a little bit for Kate and I to enjoy.
All right, the time has come to put our Pop-Tarts together. Our filling is ready and
Smelling
smells
amazing.
unbelievable right now.
All right, let's put 1 Pop-Tart crust down. What I'm gonna try to do is get our Pop-Tart filling. I'm gonna put it on one side of the Pop-Tart. I'll spread it out just a bit. And then close this. Next, I'm gonna just take our fork and make sure that I'm sealing all of the edges together.
Got the griddle set to medium-low. I'm gonna get some butter down before we put our Pop-Tarts on.
Okay, that was just a learning moment with our first Pop-Tart. So we need to let our Pop-Tart filling cool a little bit longer. It was a little bit too hot and started to melt through the bottom of the pie crust. and we noticed that as we were trying to transfer it onto the griddle. So we're gonna let the filling cool a little bit longer before we make our next Pop-Tart. This probably looks a little bit better too, that it's cooler, so it had a little bit more time to solidify and not be as runny. We've got our second Pop-Tart cooking, and I am going to prepare our first one. This one will be Spencer's, and I'm going to add the bourbon icing and some sprinkles on top. And Cade wants to be the sprinkler. Look at that Huckleberry Pop-Tart. Oh yeah.
That's ours.
Mm-hmm. That one's ours. There we go.
Kid safe icing.
Yeah. Kids safe. Expecting mom approved. Put this right on our Pop-Tart. Kate's coming in with some sprinkles. There we go.
Well, the dessert train keeps rolling here on Destination Delicious.
Breakfast. It's breakfast. Pop-Tarts are like a breakfast thing.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get a vote here. Do you think our Huckleberry Bourbon Pop-Tarts are breakfast or dessert? Leave us a
Comment below.
Yeah, vote in the comments below.
I vote dessert.
Hey!
Smart kid. You ready, buddy?
All right, let's dive in.
That one.
Might be a little warm. Look at that.
Oh. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is definitely not breakfast.
This is like heavenly. This is I would eat this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and dessert.
This is
Huckleberries,
dessert.
they're so sweet.
They have
They're
such a
so
good flavor.
delicious.
Yeah.
You got to get some huckleberries, and you have to try this. Although, you could substitute and do a
Blueberries.
blueberry, a strawberry,
Raspberries.
yeah, any kind of berry Pop-Tart. Make sure you don't forget the bourbon, because
Yeah.
that is definitely
That flavor comes through so
the
good.
chef's kiss.
Ties it together. Thank you guys once again for watching. Make sure you visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and click that bell so you get notifications for all the great videos from all the great cooks on the channel. And until next time, guys, we're going to eat our local Montana Pop-Tarts. This is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.